Hey guys, so today we're gonna be trying Fruit Riot two new frozen fruits. So first we have the sour mango. I love sour candy and I love mango. This how they look, and I'm gonna be very honest with you, they were sour bad. They were real sour, but I like it, so I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Then after that, we have to try the cherries. The cherries have a Vintage Kola crunchy candy coating on the outside. They smell really good, but to me, they ain't as sour as I would want them to be. They just like sweet, more on the sweet side. So I give it a 8. But y'all try it and let me know what y'all think. Bye.